Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with WhatsApp and looking for a complete guide to fix it, you're in the right place. We'll take you through step-by-step solutions to get your WhatsApp back up and running smoothly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. This could be Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open a browser or another app to confirm that the internet is working. Step 2. Update WhatsApp. An outdated version of WhatsApp may cause problems. Go to your device's App Store, Google Play for Android, or App Store for iOS, and check for any available updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve many issues. Restart your smartphone, and then try opening WhatsApp again. Step 4. Check app permissions. Ensure WhatsApp has the necessary permissions to function properly. Go to your device's settings, find WhatsApp under Applications, and check if permissions like contacts, storage, and camera are enabled. Step 5. Clear cache, Android only. Clearing the cache can fix many app-related issues. Go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, Clear cache. This will not delete your messages or media. Step 6. Check storage space. Insufficient storage can hamper WhatsApp's performance. Check your device's storage and ensure there's enough space for the app to run efficiently. If storage is low, consider deleting unnecessary files or apps. Step 7. Reinstall WhatsApp. If the above steps don't work, you may need to reinstall WhatsApp. First, back up your chats by going to WhatsApp, Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. After backing up, uninstall the app, then go to the App Store to reinstall it. Step 8. Check for system updates. Make sure your device's operating system is updated. Go to Settings, System Updates to check if there's a new version available for your device. Step 9. Contact WhatsApp support. If none of the above steps resolve your issue, it may be time to contact WhatsApp support. Visit the official WhatsApp website for support options or reach out via the app by navigating to Settings, Help, Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated on the latest solutions and tips.